may peruse the copy of may peruse the PUC placed a meeting of worthy. It is requested to make it convenient to attend the meeting on scheduled date, time and venue. All departments are requested to bring action taken reports on the issues discussed in the last DDC meeting. These issues with the approval of competent authority. District Development Committee West. A meeting was held with officials of to discuss at conference hall on dated at 4 p.m. Need to build network of volunteers beneficiaries parallel to network of bureaucrats officials staffs. Services pension schemes to women in distress, widow pension, divorce pension, destitute widow, daughter marriage scheme, Delhi Ladli scheme 2008, Domestic Violence Act 2005. Services pension, one pension schemes to women in distress, A. Widow pension, B. Divorce pension, C. Destitute, 2. Widow daughters marriage scheme, 3. Delhi Ladli scheme 2008, 4. Domestic Violence Act 2005. Services pension scheme to widow in distress, A. Widow pension, B. Divorce pension, C. Destitute, 2. Widow daughters marriage scheme, 3. Delhi Ladli scheme 2008, 4. Domestic Violence Act 2005. Services pension schemes to widow in distress, A. Widow pensions, B. Divorce pension, C. Destitute, 2. Widow daughters marriage scheme, 3. Delhi Ladli scheme 2008, 4. Domestic Violence Act 2005. 1. प्रधानमंत्री मातृ वंदना योजना PMVY, 2. सहेली संवर्ध्या केंद्र, A. महिला संवाद, B. सहायता प्रकोष्ठ, C. समृद्धि, D. क्रैच, 3. immunization 0 to 6 years of age. 1. प्रधानमंत्री योजना PMVY, 2. सहेली समन्वय केंद्र SSK, महिला संवाद, B. सहायता प्रकोष्ठ, C. समृद्धि, D. क्रैच, 3. immunization 0 to 6 year of age. 1. प्रधानमंत्री मातृ वंदना योजना PMVY, सहेली सामर्थ्य केंद्र SSK, A. महिला संवाद, B. सहायता प्रकोष्ठ, C. समृद्धि, D. क्रैच, 3. immunization 0 to 6 years of age. 4. early childhood care education ECCE, 5. nutrition, A. supplementary nutrition program, SNP hot cook meal, HCM and take home ration THR. 6. health checkup 0 to 6 years of age. 7. referral services. 8. Aadhaar camp. 9. weekly iron folic acid supplementation wives WIFS. 8 pension 2.0 growth monitoring devices and height weights severe acute malnutrition SAM, severe acute malnutrition SAM, moderate acute malnutrition MAM, and to refer them to a nearby government hospital if required. For early childhood care education ECCE 5 nutrition A supplementary nutrition program SNP hot cooked meal SCM 8 take home ration THR 6 health checkup 0 to 6 years of age 6 referral services 8 Aadhaar camp 9 weekly iron folic acid supplementation wives 10 pension 2.0 growth monitoring devices and height weight services acute monitoring SAM moderate acute malnutrition MAM and to refer them to nearby government hospital if required. For early childhood care education's ECCE 5 nutrition A supplementary nutrition program SNP hot cook meal SCM 10 take home ration THR 6 health checkup 0 to 6 years of age 6 referral services 8 Aadhaar camp 9 weekly iron folic acid supplementation wife 10 pension 2.0 growth monitoring devices and height weight services severe acute malnutrition SAM moderate acute malnutrition MAM and to refer them to nearby government hospital if required. 13 institution 13 ICDS projects 8 CDPOs 3 superintendents ICDS projects जन सुनवाई मेगा कैंप डिस्ट्रिक्ट डेवलपमेंट कमेटी DDC लाडली का नया फॉर्म भरने के लिए उम्र व जरूरी दस्तावेज जन्म पर 1 वर्ष से कम पहली कक्षा में 5 वर्ष 5 प्लस 6 वर्ष से कम छठी कक्षा में 10 प्लस 12 वर्ष से कम 9वीं कक्षा में 13 प्लस 15 वर्ष से कम 11वीं कक्षा में 15 प्लस 17 वर्ष से कम 12वीं कक्षा में 16 प्लस 18 वर्ष से कम एक प्रार्थना पत्र पर संयुक्त फोटो बच्चे की माता पिता के साथ पासपोर्ट साइज 2 दिल्ली में रहने का 3 वर्ष का प्रमाण सिर्फ बच्चे के माता या पिता का राशन कार्ड पहचान पत्र बिजली पानी टेलीफोन बिल ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस गैस कनेक्शन स्लिप LIC स्लिप 3 बालिका का दिल्ली का जन्म प्रमाण पत्र रजिस्ट्रार जन्म एवं मृत्यु द्वारा जारी 4 माता पिता की आय का प्रमाण पत्र स्वयं द्वारा सत्यापित आय घोषणा पत्र मूल प्रति 5 माता पिता व बालिका का आधार कार्ड दिल्ली का नोट प्राइवेट स्कूल के लिए नए फॉर्म पर 1 प्रिंसिपल के हस्ताक्षर व स्टैंप 2 शिक्षा अधिकारी के हस्ताक्षर व स्टैंप 3 EWS लेटर हेड फीस स्लिप लाडली मैच्योरिटी राशि प्राप्त करने के लिए जरूरी दस्तावेज मैच्योर्ड बेनिफिशरीज फॉर फाइनल पेमेंट अंडर लाडली स्कीम्स हु हैव passed 12th and attained the age of 18 years are directed to arrange and submit the following documents in the prescribed under only SBI saving account passbook in favor of beneficiary, new entry in passbook, either in cash deposit or withdrawal, all original letters and slip issued from Ladli sections, marksheet and certificate of passing 10th and 12th issues from CBSE, beneficiaries Aadhaar card, timing 10 AM to 1 PM, नवीनीकरण रिन्यूअल के लिए जरूरी दस्तावेज, एक लाडली स्लिप की फोटोकॉपी, 2 बच्चे का आधार की फोटोकॉपी, 3 स्कूल का लेटर हेड, फीस स्लिप, आई कार्ड, इनमें से कोई एक प्रूफ स्कूल का। फॉर मोर डिटेल विजिट वेबसाइट wcd.del.in। हॉस्पिटल बर्थ कैपिटल बी, होम बर्थ स्मॉल बी, हॉस्पिटल बर्थ बिग बी 11,000, होम बर्थ स्मॉल बी 10,000, फर्स्ट ओ कैपिटल 5,000, सिक्स्थ एस कैपिटल्स 5,000, 9 एन कैपिटल्स 5,000, 11 टी स्मॉल 5,000, 12 टी कैपिटल 5,000। डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिस वेस्ट, डिस्ट्रिक्ट वेस्ट CCI, डिस्ट्रिक्ट वेस्ट आर कमेटी, DO एंड DCPU वेस्ट। डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिस वेस्ट, डिस्ट्रिक्ट वेस्ट CCI, डिस्ट्रिक्ट वेस्ट आर कमेटी, DO एंड DCPU वेस्ट। डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिस वेस्ट, डिस्ट्रिक्ट वेस्ट CCI, डिस्ट्रिक्ट वेस्ट आर कमेटी, DO एंड DCPU वेस्ट। बाल निकेतन बालिका गृह ACHW SSH NN OHG CHG1 CHG2 CHG3 CHG4 फोस्टर केयर। बाल निकेतन बालिका गृह ACHW SHG NN OHG CHG1 CHG2 CHG3 CHG4 फोस्टर केयर। बाल निकेतन बालिका गृह ACHW SHG NN OHG CHG1 CHG2 CHG3 CHG4 फोस्टर केयर। बाल निकेतन बालिका गृह ACHW SHG NN OHG CHG1 CHG2 CHG3 CHG4 फोस्टर केयर। wcd.delhi.gov.in। Home, About Us, Acts and Rules, Branches, Services, Schemes, Notice Board, WCD Cadre, Contact Us, What's New, FAQs, Others, About Us, Organization Chart, Our Districts, Administration, Who's Who, Citizen Chartered Achievements, Acts and rules, notification, institute, licensing act 1956, juvenile justice act 2000 2009, delhi grants rule, VSC GIA, branches services schemes. Branches services schemes. Schemes of financial assistance to widow, pension to widow, women welfare and empowerment cell, WEC branches, Anganwadi services scheme, Eastwhile ICDS, Eastwhile ICDS, Child Development Protection Unit CPU and ICPS, प्रधानमंत्री मातृ वंदना योजना PMMVY, दिल्ली लाडली स्कीम 2008, पोषण ब्रांच, ग्रांट एंड एड स्कीम्स, दिल्ली ग्रांट्स रूल, ग्रांट इन एड, VSC GIA, support training and employment for women, setting up employment income generation unit, education work for prevention of atrocities on women, education work for prevention of atrocities on women, expansion construction of working women hostels, notice board, citizen centralized orders, centralized circulars, orders and circulars, RTI, advertisement, tenders, recruitment and result notification, bifurcation notification, gazetted notification, budget, media gallery, print media, press release, photo gallery, video gallery, WCD cadre, recruitment rules, seniority list, transfer orders, contactors, what's new, FAQs, others, important link, missing children, guidelines, handbook, publications, guidelines, SOP, advisories for COVID-19, holiday list, downloads. Home, about us, organization chart, Department of Women and Child Development, GNCTT of Delhi, Secretary WCD, Director WCD, Joint Director 1, Joint Director 2, DD Admin, DD WEC, DD VIG, State Litigation, DD FAS, Licensing, VSC, PMMVY, Ladli, DD ICDS, Portion, DD CPU, ICPS, DD CTB, System Analyst, IFA, DCA, Account Officer, SO Planning, District Officer North, District Officer South, District Officer West, District Officer East, District Officer South West, District Officer Northeast, District Officer Northwest first, District Officer Northwest second, District Officer New Delhi, District Officer Central. About us, our district administration, who is who, citizen chartered, achievement. Administration, department designation. Act and rule. Schemes. Branches, services and schemes. Notice board, WCD. Centralized order, centralized circular order and circular. Advertisement, trends, recruitment, role, notification. wcddel.in. Organization setup, plan and scheme, citizen chartered, achievements, report, circular, press release, trends, right to information. Organization setup. Plan and scheme. Budget estimate for the year 2015-16. Respect of plan scheme of demand number 8 major head 2235 and 2236. Click. Budget estimate 2013-14 for plan scheme. expenditure report for the month of ending April 2013, expenditure report for the month of ending March 2013. Delhi Commission for Women, Working Women Hostel, Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005, Women Self-Help Groups in Delhi, Community-Based Computer Assisted Vocational Training and Skill Development to the Women, setting up in Urban Knowledge Center, UKC, expansion of foster care services, implementation of Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2000, setting up juvenile justice shelter home, financial assistance, locating and nursing mothers. Thank you very much for watching this video.